Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 14D from chapter Equation of a Line. So starting with question number 23. The points A, B and C are 4, 0, 2, 2 and 0, 6 respectively. Find the equations of AB and BC. If AB cuts the y-axis at P and BC cuts the x-axis at Q, find the coordinates of P and Q. We'll come to this part later. पहले फर्स्ट पार्ट कंसिडर करते हैं. देर आर 3 पॉइंट्स ए बी एंड सी जिसका कोऑर्डिनेट्स दिया है. दिस विल बी ए का कोऑर्डिनेट्स, दिस इज बी का कोऑर्डिनेट्स एंड दिस इज सी का कोऑर्डिनेट्स. गो इन ऑर्डर. ओके, सो ए का वाई कोऑर्डिनेट 0 है, सो इट इज लाइंग ऑन एक्स एक्सिस, है ना. सी इज लाइंग ऑन वाई एक्सिस बिकॉज एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट 0 है. सो ए इज लाइंग ऑन x-axis and C is lying on y-axis. So let's draw the 3 points. For that, draw the axis. Now I'll be drawing a rough diagram. Okay, if you want you can draw properly with proper plotting. So A is 4, 0. A है 4, 0. B is 2, 2. So 2, 2 somewhere over here. Okay, I am drawing it roughly. And C is 0, 6. So this is lying on y-axis. C 0, 6. We have to find the equations of AB and BC. If you plot it accurately, you will come to know that A, B and C are not lying on the same line. Collinear नहीं है. They are not collinear. Okay, non-collinear है. So A, B एक separate line होगा, B, C एक separate line होगा. दोनों का equations find out करना है. So A, B का equation find out करना है and B, C का equation find out करना है. Okay, what will be the equations of these two lines? A B के लिए I have A and B का coordinates. A है 4, 0. B है, I'll just write down all the coordinates first. C है 0, 6. So for A B I know coordinates of 2 points. I can use 2 points form. First I'll find the slope of A B. Slope is required for equation. So slope easily find out कर सकते हैं using the formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Slope मिल जाएगा. Consider A as x1 y1. So you know x1 y1, you know m. You can easily use the formula and find the equation. x1 y1 का values put करो, m का value put करो and you will get the equation on solving further. Okay, so AB का equation मिल जाएगा. Same way BC का equation find out करेंगे. BC का slope find out करो. Consider any one point as x1 y1 and find out the equation. Okay, so AB and BC का equations मिल जाएगा. We'll come to this part later. Okay, पहले ये दोनों solve करते हैं and then we'll come to the remaining part of the question. All right. For line AB, write down A का coordinates. It is 4, 0. B 2, 2. So slope of AB क्या हो जाएगा? Subtract the y coordinates first. So 2 minus 0 upon 2 minus 4. You can go the other way around also. Okay, 0 minus 2 upon 4 minus 2. 2 minus 0 2 हो जाएगा. 2 minus 4 gives minus 2. So this will give minus 1. Minus will bring in numerator. So slope of AB we got. Now we'll find the equation of the line. So let A 4, 0 be x1 y1. And slope we know. So the equation of line AB is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Put the values of x1, y1 and m. y1 है 0, m है -1, x1 is 4, y minus 0 y हो जाएगा. Opening the brackets minus x minus into minus plus 4. Shifting x on the other side. This is also correct. ऐसे भी रख सकते हैं. और what I'll do is I'll shift on the other side. So x plus y is equal to 4 will be the equation of the line AB. Box कर दो and write down the statement. The equation of line AB is x plus y equals to 4. Same way we'll find equation of line BC. For line BC, write down the coordinates of B and C. B is 2, 2 and C is 0, 6. Slope of BC. First we'll subtract y coordinates. So 6 minus 2 upon 0 minus 2. You can go the other way around also. 2 minus 6 upon 2 minus 0. 6 minus 2 हो जाएगा 4 and 0 minus 2 is minus 2. 2 2s are minus हो जाएगा यहाँ पे, है ना? Minus will go in numerator. So minus 2. Be very careful with signs, otherwise your answer will come wrong. Okay? Slope मिल गया. Now let us find out the equation. So write down let B x1 y1 be 2, 2 and m we know is minus 2. So the equation of line BC is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Put the values. y1 है 2, m is minus 2, x is 2, y minus 2 is equal to, opening the brackets, minus 2x, minus into minus plus, 2 2s are 4. 2x negative है, so I am going to shift 2x over here and 2 we'll bring over here. So 2x plus y is equal to 4 plus 2 हो जाएगा, that gives 6. So 6 हो जाएगा. This will be the equation of line BC. You can bring it in standard form also. So standard form में it will be y equals to minus 2x plus 6. That will be the equation in standard form. Whichever you consider, box it and write down the final statement. The equation of line BC is 2x plus y equals to 6. Okay. Now coming to the second part of the question. If AB cuts the y-axis at P, AB is cutting y-axis. इसको थोड़ा extend कर देते हैं. It is cutting y-axis at P. At point P. And BC cuts the x-axis at Q. BC is cutting x-axis at point Q. Find the coordinates of P and Q. BC is cutting x-axis at Q. So Q का y coordinate 0 होगा because it is lying on x-axis. So let's say the coordinates are x, 0. Okay. And P के लिए similarly it is lying on y-axis. So x coordinate will be 0. So let's say the coordinates are 0, y. है ना? Q is x, 0, P is 0, y. We have to find the coordinates. X and y का value find out करना पड़ेगा. It's very easy. P is lying on AB. And AB का equation अभी हम लोग ने find out किया था. AB का equation क्या है? X plus y equals to 4. है ना? This is what we got. So we can put the x and y coordinates over here, and putting the value of x and y, we will easily get the value of y over here. X तो 0 हो जाएगा. so we will get y equal to 4, so it will be 0, 4, है ना. And similarly for q, it lies on line BC, so it satisfies the equation of BC, है ना. So BC का इक्वेशन अभी हम लोग ने फाइंड आउट किया 2x plus y equal to 6. So x as it is, y की जगह पे 0 आ जाएगा. So put the value and find out the value of x. Okay, so it's very easy. Let's find the coordinates of P and Q now. There are some statements that you have to write down. So I have already solved. Line AB cuts y-axis at point P. This is given to us. Let P be 0, y because it is cutting y-axis. So x coordinate 0 हो जाएगा. Now since P lies on line AB, it has to satisfy the equation of AB, which is x plus y equals to 4. So putting x equal to 0, we'll get 0 plus y is equal to 4, that is y is 4. Okay, so y का value मिल गया, that is we got the coordinates of P, it is 0, 4. Box कर दो. Alright, same way we'll find the coordinates of Q. Now line BC cuts x axis at point Q. So Q will be x, 0. Okay, we have taken as x, 0 because y coordinate will be 0. Since Q lies on the line BC, it has to satisfy the equation of BC, which is 2x plus y equal to 6. Y की जगह पे 0 put कर सकते हैं. Okay, x will remain as it is, y की जगह पे we'll put 0. So putting y equal to 0, the equation will become 2x plus 0 equals to 6. On solving, we'll get x as 3. So Q का coordinates क्या हो जाएगा 3, 0. Okay, so write down the coordinates and box it. All right. Let's read the next question. Question number 24. Match the equations A, B, C and D with the lines L1, L2, L3 and L4 whose graphs are roughly drawn in the given diagram. A is y equals to 2x, B is y minus 2x plus 2 equals to 0, C is 3x plus 2y equals to 6 and D is y equals to 2. And you are given 4 lines over here. So we have to match these equations with their respective lines. Okay. How will you find this? बहुत easy है. First you will take x as 0 and see what you are getting as y. Okay. So equation consider करो. Put x as 0 and see what you are getting as value of y. And then put y equal to 0 and see what you are getting as x. Okay. So from that you can easily find out which line will match with the equation. So let's start with first one. First से start करते हैं. A वाला equation है y equals to 2x. So A is y equals to 2x. First we'll put x equal to 0. So when x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 2 into 0, that is y is equal to 0. So जब x 0 है तब y भी 0 है यहाँ पे. Alright. So where will you get 0, 0? 0, 0 हो जाएगा है ना coordinates. Origin पे 0, 0 होगा. So the line which is passing through the origin, that is L3. Okay, L3 is satisfying this equation. Okay, so A and L3. All right, so A with L3. Now coming to second equation. Here y minus 2x plus 2 equals to 0. So write down the equation. Y minus 2x plus 2 equals to 0. So when x is equal to 0, y minus 2 into 0 plus 2 is equal to 0. So ये 0 हो जाएगा. So y is equal to minus 2. So when x is 0, y is minus 2. Okay, एक ये है. And when you put y equal to 0, so 0 minus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so I'll shift 2x over here. So 2 is equal to 2x. देयरफॉर x इज इक्वल टू 1 हो जाएगा, 2/2 इज 1. ओके, सो x का वैल्यू 1 मिल रहा है, सो वी आर गेटिंग एज 1, 0. So these 2 points are lying on the line. Which line? यहाँ पे if you see, it is cutting y axis but negative है ना, negative पे cut कर रहा है because y coordinate is negative. So which line is cutting negative part of y axis? If you notice this line, L4 is cutting negative part of y axis. ये y axis का positive side हो गया. ओके, जीरो के अबाउ पॉजिटिव साइड हो गया, जीरो के नीचे इट इज नेगेटिव पार्ट, सो इट इज कटिंग नेगेटिव साइड ऑफ वाई एक्सिस. सो L4 इज द लाइन विच इज सैटिस्फाइंग दिस इक्वेशन. ओके, सो इट इज कटिंग एक्स एक्सिस एट पॉजिटिव, है ना, पॉजिटिव एक्स एक्सिस को कट कर रहा है. फॉर एक्स एक्सिस वी गॉट 1, 0, सो पॉजिटिव पार्ट है एंड वाई पे नेगेटिव पार्ट है. सो येस, L4 is matching with equation B. So A के लिए we got L3, so this is A. For L4 we got B. Okay, so write down after this B with L4. Coming to equation C, again we'll put x as 0 and see what is the value of y, and then we'll put y as 0 and see what is the value of x. So when x is 0, then 3 into 0 plus 2y is equal to 6. So 0 plus 2y is 6, that is y we are getting as 6/2, that is 3 मिल रहा है. When y is equal to 0, then 3x plus 2 into 0 is equal to 6. So 3x is equal to 6, ये 0 हो जाएगा, है ना. So x we are getting as 2. So here we are getting as 0, 3, x coordinate 0, y coordinate 3, and यहाँ पे we are getting as 2, 0, x coordinate 2 and y coordinate 0. So 0, 3 and 2, 0, x axis को भी positive है and y पे भी positive है. So which line? Now we are left with L1 and L2. Actually from this only you can figure out. L1 parallel वाला है. So parallel के लिए we know y is constant, so it will match with D, and remaining is L2. So L2 is cutting positive x axis and positive y axis. So it is matching with equation C. So C के लिए L2. Okay. So this is C and remaining one is D, है ना, because this is parallel to x axis, and whenever a line is parallel to x axis, its y coordinate is constant. So y will be constant, that is this will be the equation. Okay, so by default third वाला L1 होगा, है ना. So this is D. Don't get confused students, यहाँ पे 2 lines है, so L1 is for this and L4 यहाँ पे mark किया हुआ है, so L4 is this line. ठीक है, ये L1 नहीं होगा, this is L4. Alright, so look at it carefully and then start solving. So we got all the values. Now in the end just write down all together. A है L3, B is L4, C is L2 and D is L1. Okay, box it. Okay, next question, question number 25. Find the value of A for which the points A, 3, B, 2, 1 and C, 5, A are collinear. Hence find the equation of the line. First we have to find A. Okay, small a का value find out करना है. Then we have to find the equation of the line. So we are told that A, B and C are collinear. Collinear means they are lying on the same line. Okay, there is one line which is passing through all the 3 points. So A, B and C है. Through which a line is passing. ए का कोऑर्डिनेट्स है a, 3, बी का कोऑर्डिनेट्स 2, 1 एंड सी का कोऑर्डिनेट्स 5, a. First we have to find value of a. Now we know that whichever part of the line you consider, सबका slope same होगा, है ना, because it is a part of same line, so throughout the slope will remain same. So AB, BC, AC कोई भी consider करो, सबका slope same होगा. So what I am going to do over here is I'll take AB and BC and equate. Okay, AB का slope consider करो, then BC का slope consider करो, both will be equal. Okay, because they are part of the same line. So we'll get slope of AB equals to slope of BC. You can even take AC. Okay, so I'll be taking AB and BC. AB के लिए you know how to solve. First subtract y coordinates, then x coordinates in denominator. Same thing यहाँ पे. Okay, so we'll get 1 minus 3 upon 2 minus a equals to a minus 1 upon 5 minus 2. Solve this. Okay, cross multiply करो, solve करो, and after solving we'll get value of a. पहले a का value find out करना है. Once you get value of a, you will know the coordinates of a, b and c. तीनों का coordinates पता चल जाएगा. Okay, a का coordinates क्या है, b का क्या है and c का क्या है. We can easily find the equation of the line. Consider any 2 points. Okay, consider a and b or b and c. Let's say a का value we are getting as 2. Suppose करो. Okay, suppose I'm just supposing. You know 3 points का coordinates. कोई भी 2 points consider करो and find out the slope. Okay, slope find out कर सकते हैं. So if I consider a and b, I can easily find out slope of AB, and then consider one point as x1, y1. You know m, you know x1, y1. You can easily use the formula. Put x1, y1 and m का values and you will get the equation of the line. Okay, so I'll repeat. AB, BC, AC सबका slope same होगा because they are parts of same line. So take AB equal to BC, slopes are equal, equate करो, solve करके you will get A का value. Once you get A का value, you will know the coordinates. So consider any 2 points. I'll be considering A and B. Slope find out करो AB का. Okay, line का slope मिल जाएगा. Once you get the slope of the line, you have M. Consider any 1 point का coordinates as x1, y1. Put the values and find out the equation of the line. Okay, so let us now start solving. First draw the figure and then start solving. So after drawing the figure, write down A, B and C are collinear. This is already given to us, and also write down the coordinates of A, B and C. Since they are collinear, slope of AB will be equal to slope of BC. Let's find out the slopes. So AB के लिए first we'll subtract the y coordinates. So 1 minus 3 upon 2 minus a is equal to b and c. Okay, for BC. So a minus 1 upon 5 minus 2. 1 minus 3 will give minus 2 and 2 minus a as it is. So put this in brackets. A minus 1 as it is, again put this in brackets. 5 minus 2 will give 3. Now we'll cross multiply. Okay, so 3 into minus 2 and यहाँ पे a minus 1 into 2 minus a. So here we are going to get quadratic. Okay, minus 6 is equal to a into 2 minus a minus 1 into 2 minus a. First term into second bracket and then second term into second bracket. Okay, so this will give 2a minus a square minus 2 minus minus plus a. Okay, be very careful with signs. So a plus 2a हो जाएगा 3a minus a square minus 2. Let's shift all the terms in LHS. Okay, because a square वाला term negative है, So let's make it positive. So we'll shift all the terms over here because we'll get a quadratic equation. So quadratic equation mein LHS you will have all the terms and RHS will be 0. So a square, then write down a wala term, so it will be negative, right? Signs will change. Plus 2 and minus 6 equal to 0. So we are getting a square minus 3a plus, sorry, minus 4 equal to 0, right? Splitting the middle term method, okay? So 4 का factors क्या होगा? One possibility is 2 into 2, okay? But 2 and 2 if you add or subtract you are not going to get 3. Add करेंगे तो you are going to get 4 and subtract करेंगे तो 0 मिलेगा. So this is not possible. 4 and 1 is another possibility. So 4 and 1 are the factors over here, okay? On subtracting you are getting 3, alright? So 4 and 1 are the factors. Which one will be positive and which one will be negative? Because product negative है यहाँ पे. So one is positive and another is negative, है ना? So minus 3a है, so 4 will be negative and 1 will be positive because 1 minus 4 will give you minus 3. 4 minus 1 will give you plus 3. So minus 4 and plus 1 है, alright? So minus 4a and plus 1a are the factors. So a square plus 1a minus 4a minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, this order does not matter. You can write this first and this afterwards. Does not matter. यहाँ पे taking a common, a plus 1 remains in the bracket, है ना? यहाँ पे minus common ले लेंगे, minus 4 common ले सकते हैं. So taking minus 4 common, in brackets the signs will change. ये नेगेटिव टर्म था, पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा, ये भी पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. सो माइनस 4 चला गया, व्हाट इज लेफ्ट? ए. यहाँ पे माइनस 4 चला गया, नथिंग इज लेफ्ट. सो नथिंग मीन्स 1 इज लेफ्ट ओवर हियर. माइनस 4 इंटू 1 विल गिव यू माइनस 4. सो 1 इज लेफ्ट. ओके, एंड यू शुड गेट सेम ब्रैकेट्स. अगर सेम नहीं मिल रहा है इट मीन्स यू हैव मेड सम मिस्टेक. फॉर क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस द ब्रैकेट्स should be same. Everything should be same. Okay. So a plus 1 common ले लेंगे. So in other bracket we are getting a minus 4. Please be thorough with quadratic equations. Okay. Then only you will be able to solve such type of questions. So we are getting product of two brackets equal to 0. So either this bracket is 0 or this bracket is 0. कोई भी एक 0 होगा तभी आंसर 0 मिल रहा है. 0 into something will only give you 0. कोई और नंबर नहीं देगा. So a plus 1 is equal to 0 or a minus 4 is equal to 0. That is a is equal to minus 1 or a is equal to 4. A can hold both the values because a is coordinate over here, है ना? a तो यहाँ पे coordinate है, so negative भी हो सकता है, positive भी हो सकता है, fraction भी हो सकता है. So both the values are possible. Okay, box the values and write down the value of a is minus 1 or 4. कोई भी एक possibility है. Okay. Now since there are two possibilities, equation find out करना है. So equation के लिए भी there will be two possibilities. You will get two different equations because a का value will be separate. ठीक है. So let us find out the two equations, the two possibilities. All right. There are two possibilities of a. One is minus 1 and other is 4. So we'll be considering both the possibilities. We'll get two different equations. Now over here, students, they have not asked you what are the coordinates of a and c. Had they asked, you have to write down the coordinates. For a equal to minus 1. What will be the coordinates of a and c? A की जगह पे -1 substitute करके write down the coordinates of a and c. And when a is equal to 4, coordinates of a and c respectively. So I am not writing it down because they have not asked over here. If they have asked, you have to write down. ठीक है? So when a is equal to -1, I'll consider a and b to find out the equation of the line. Okay? So a का coordinates मैं find out करूँगी because I need that. So a, which is a comma 3, will become minus 1 comma 3. Okay. Now I am considering a and b. Alright, you can consider b and c or a and c to find the equation of the line. So let a minus 1 comma 3 be x1 y1 and b 2 comma 1 be x2 y2. Now we'll find out the slope. So slope will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 or y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. Put karo values. Y2 is 1, y1 is 3, x2 is 2 and x1 is minus 1. So 1 minus 3 gives minus 2. 2 minus minus हो जाएगा plus. Minus 2 upon 3 is the slope. Okay. Now we'll find the equation. So we have a x1 y1 as minus 1 comma 3 and m is equal to minus 2 upon 3. So the equation of line AB is no short forms, write down full word. So using the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Put the values. y minus y1 है 3, m है minus 2 upon 3, x1 is minus 1. So put box brackets outside. ठीक है, यहाँ पे भी brackets डाल दो because we'll shift 3 over here. So multiply हो जाएगा, minus 2 into minus minus plus हो जाएगा. Okay. Here opening the brackets, 3y minus 9 is equal to minus 2x minus 2. Be very careful with signs. Okay. 2x negative है, so I am going to shift over here and group it with y. 2x plus 3y and number on the other side. So 9 positive हो जाएगा. So this will give 2x plus 3y equals to 7. This will be the equation of the line when a is equal to minus 1. Okay, so write down when a is equal to minus 1, equation of the line is 2x plus 3y equal to 7. Okay, you have to write this down. Now considering the second possibility, when a is equal to 4, what will be the equation of the line? When a is equal to 4, then a का coordinates क्या हो जाएगा? It is a comma 3, so it will become 4 comma 3. Okay. Again the same procedure. Okay, same procedure follow करना है. a 4 comma 3 we are taking as x1 y1. b 2 comma 1 we are taking as x2 y2. Let us find out the slope first. So slope will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 or y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. y2 1 है, y1 is 3, x2 is 2, x1 is 4. 1 minus 3 minus 2, 2 minus 4 minus 2. So this will give 1. Okay. So write down a x1 y1 is 4 comma 3 and m is equal to 1. So the equation, again no short form, line is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Put the values. y minus y1 है 3, m is 1, x minus x1 is 4, y minus 3 is equal to x minus 4. Shifting 3 over here, y is equal to x plus 3 minus 4, that gives y is equal to x minus 1. Okay. Box this, write down the statement when a is equal to 4. The equation of the line is y equals to x minus 1. Okay, you can also write it as x is equal to y plus 1. Either way your equation is correct. Okay, don't forget the final statement.